Welcome to this MasterShip tutorial video. In this video we will discuss the installation and setup of MasterShip and the creation of a new project. Installation is very straightforward. Just run the installer and choose the default options. You will have received the serial number and registration code by email from MasterShip support. Installation takes less than a minute. An icon has been placed on your desktop. Double-click it to start MasterShip. The first time MasterShip is run on a computer, some setup has to be done, one time only. The location of the company installation file must be chosen. Choose the existing location, or, if you are a new MasterShip user, choose a location all MasterShip users can access. A good idea is to use the drive where you store your engineering projects. By default, MasterShip does not claim any licenses on a new installation. We will claim them later on in the video. MasterShip has placed some new items in the ribbon: MasterShip, Shape, Parts, NC, and Ship Express. Also some toolbars are added. To create a new project, we start Organizer from the MasterShip ribbon. We choose New Project and fill in the project name, description, and we choose a folder. We can see that MasterShip has created some files in the project folder. Opening the Ship Start drawing will activate the project. Now it is time to claim the licenses. Choose About in the MasterShip ribbon, then choose Licenses. We will claim all available licenses. Finally, we recommend to set polar tracking on to 45 degrees and selection cycling on. This concludes this MasterShip tutorial. Thank you for watching.